Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another productive day at the office. Today, we'll be discussing the top 10 things you can do to kickstart your workday in the morning. Let's dive in. Arrive early. Start your day by arriving a bit early. It gives you a quiet head start to organize your tasks and plan the day ahead. Check emails. Once settled, check your emails. Respond to urgent messages and prioritize tasks. This sets the tone for the day. Review your schedule. Take a moment to review your schedule. Identify meetings, deadlines, and allocate time for priority projects. Organize your workspace. A clutter-free workspace promotes focus. Spend a few minutes organizing your desk for a more productive day. Morning huddle or stand up. Consider having a quick morning huddle with your team. Share updates, discuss priorities, and align on goals for the day. Have a nice day.